Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel All in One. In this video, we are going to study the notes and question and answers of class 6 Science chapter 3, that is separation of substances. If you want the notes of other lesson and other subject, you can check my playlist of my channel. You can easily get from there. First one, exercise. First question, why do we need separate different components of a mixture? Give two examples. Answer, among different components of mixture, there are many substances which are harmful or not useful for us. To remove these, we need separate them. For example, option A, tea leaves are separated from the liquid. B, stone pieces are separated from wheat, rice or pulses. Second question, what is winnowing? Where is it used? Answer, winnowing is a process to separate heavier and lighter components of a mixture by wind or by blowing air. This process is used by farmers to separate husk particles from grain. Third one, how will you separate husk or dirt particles from a given samples of pulses before cooking? Answer, husk or dirt particles can be separated by winnowing. Fourth one, what is sieving? Where it is used? Answer, sieving is a process by which fine particles are separated from bigger particles by using a sieve. It is used in flour mill or at construction sites. Fifth question, how will you separate sand and water from their mixture? Answer, we will separate sand and water by segmentation and decoration method. First, we leave this mixture for some time. After some time, the heavier sand is settled down at the bottom. After that, we will pour water into another container and the mixture will be separated. Sixth one, is it possible to separate sugar mixed with wheat flour? If yes, how will you do it? Answer, sugar can be separated from wheat flour by sieving. Due to differences in the size of particles, sugar will stay on sieve and wheat flour will pass through it. Seventh one, how would you obtain clear water from a sample of muddy water? Answer, the process of filtration can be used in order to obtain clear water from the sample of muddy water. For this process, muddy water is allowed pass through a filter paper where the mud is collected on the filter paper and water passed through it. Eighth question, fill up the blanks. A, the method of separating seeds of paddy from its stalks is called dash dressing. B, when milk cooled after boiling is poured onto a piece of cloth, the cream malai is left behind on it. This process of separating cream from milk is an example of dash filtration. C. Salt is obtained from sea water by the process of dash evaporation. D. Impurities settled at the bottom when muddy water was kept overnight in a bucket. The clear water was then poured off from the top. The process of separation used in this example is called dash decantation. Ninth one, true or false? A mixture of milk and water can be separated by filtration. False. B. A mixture of powdered salt and sugar can be separated by the process of winnowing. False. C. Separation of sugar from tea can be done with filtration. False. D. Grain and husk can be separated with the process of decantation. False. 10th one. Lemonade is prepared by mixing lemon juice and sugar in water. You wish to add ice to cool it. Should you add ice to the lemonade before or after dissolving sugar? In which case would it be possible to dissolve more sugar? Answer. We should add ice to the lemonade after dissolving sugar. It will be possible to dissolve more sugar before adding ice. So this is all about your lesson number 3, separation of substances. As I told you, if you want more lessons, check the playlist of my video. Thank you.